Hello, you wonderful people. Welcome, and give yourself a massive high five for being here today. I want you to know something really important right from the start. You are absolutely fantastic right now, in this very moment. It's so easy to get caught up in what we think we should look like, isn't it? We see things online or on TV and start comparing. But let's stop that. Your journey isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming the happiest, healthiest, most confident version of yourself. Think about all the amazing things your body does for you every single day. It keeps you breathing, it helps you walk, it lets you hug the people you love. So instead of focusing on what you want to change, let's start by celebrating what you already have. Have you ever noticed when you feel great on the inside, you just naturally look better on the outside? When you're full of energy and feeling positive, you have this amazing glow about you. You stand a bit taller, you smile a lot more. That's the real secret to beauty. It's not about chasing some perfect image. It's about fueling your body with good stuff so you can feel incredible. Health is the foundation for everything. Think of your body like a car. You wouldn't put the wrong type of fuel in a fancy car. You'd give it the best fuel so it could run powerfully. All right, are you ready for a little secret? I've got something that I think you're going to absolutely love. I call it my green sunshine drink. It's super simple, incredibly quick, and can give your health and weight loss journey a proper boost. This drink is loaded with fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer. It's fantastic for digestion and bursting with antioxidants. Consistency is key. Making it a regular part of your routine is where you'll see the real benefits: sustained energy and a healthy glow. It's time to learn how to make this amazing green sunshine drink. The whole process takes less than 5 minutes. Here's what you're going to need: spinach for iron and energy, cucumber for hydration, green apple for fiber, lemon for vitamin C, and cold water, or coconut water for creamier texture. Just chuck everything into your blender. Put the spinach in first, then cucumber and apple. Squeeze in lemon juice, pour water over the top. Pop the lid on tight. Blend until smooth for about 60 seconds and pour into your favorite glass. Cheers to that. I hope you feel inspired to try that green sunshine drink. But this is just the beginning. The Own Your Beauty channel is more than just information. It's a community, a family of amazing people just like you. We share our successes, support each other through challenges, and celebrate every small victory. There's no judgment here, only encouragement. So what are you waiting for? Find Own Your Beauty and hit that subscribe button. Let's do this together. You have the power to transform your life, to build a body you love living in. Let today be the day you decide to go for it. Welcome to the family.